Hi babes, if you are struggling with hair growth, your hair is thinning out, or there's a particular bald spot, or you want to start growing your hair from bald to waist length, do well to watch this video to the end. I'll be showing you a recipe that I've used for the past 2 years, almost 3 years, and it has really made my hair grow. We are using only rosemary for this video, and we are using it to make a very potent oil. I'll be showing you a method that is very potent that you may underlook. You think that is not very good, but it's very potent. So why are we using rosemary? Rosemary is very good for hair growth because it contains a compound that helps repair tissue of damaged hair and also improper cell turnover. Rosemary has some ingredient that has been shown to prevent DHT. DHT is a hormone implicated in hair loss. So when you use rosemary for a long period, you notice that if a section or a part of your hair is facing hair loss, it's going to help repair that section. So here I'm applying or I'm adding olive oil to this mixture or to this rosemary. You need to infuse it in an oil, and in this video I decided to use olive oil. Olive oil is also a very good nutrient. Olive oil is naturally derived. With this one I'm using extra virgin, so it is an extracted type of oil, so it's really naturally derived, and it's really wonderful for the scalp. If you are having scalp issues, one of the best oils that I always recommend for others to use is olive oil. It's really good for detangling the hair. It's really good for adding shine to the hair and strengthening the hair as well. So we'll be doing the double boiler method in this video. So the double boiler method is when you don't apply the rosemary to direct heat. Yes, when I explain it, so let's say I want to infuse the herbs in the oil. Instead of putting it on fire, I do the double boiler method like what you are seeing in this video. So I add hot water to this and then I allow it to sit for a long time so that it will infuse the herbs into the oil. This oil is very potent because you can tell that I added about 2 tablespoons of rosemary leaves and then to about 100 ml of olive oil. So this is quite a good number of potency. Like if you want the potency in it, you can get quite a good number of potency. So I leave it down to sit, and if you are using good eyes, if you watch it closely, you notice that it is doing something. If I want it to infuse more, I can leave it for as long as I want and be changing the water or put it on fire itself. So after a while I take it off. You should be very careful during this process because it's hot and you may get burned at this part, so you have to be very careful and very gentle. So now that my oil is a bit extracted, I now go ahead and then strain it. You can decide to leave this in for as long as you want and be applying it like this on your hair and scalp, but then I wanted to show you the final process, so I then got myself another cup, a measuring cup or any cup of your choice, and then you add a sieve like what you are seeing in this video, and then you just pour it in nicely and then strain the oil out of the herbs. You know that at this point the nutrients in the herbs in the rosemary has been well extracted into the oil. Yes, so the oil now is rosemary hair oil. It's really simple. You can make this at home. You can make this within 5 minutes. Like, it doesn't really take a lot of time. You can make this at any time and you can make it any day. You don't need a lot of ingredients. So this is my dropper bottle. This is how I'll be transferring the oil. Applying it on my scalp. You need a means of application, so this is my dropper bottle I'll be using in this video. As you can see, rosemary is one of my favorite oils. If you stay on this page, you know that rosemary oil is one of my favorite oils. So guys, if this is the first time you are stopping by, this channel is about hair growth tips. I talk about natural hair, I talk about hair growth, I talk about everything related to natural hair. So here you can see me putting some of the rosemary in the oil so that it infuses more while it is just sitting there, in order to get some extra goodies into the oil as well. Let me know what you think about this. Have you done rosemary oil before? What was your response? Have you used it on your scalp before? And is this something you'd recommend? Did you see any changes? Let me know what you think. If you are new to the channel, please do well to subscribe. Till next time, bye.